Fred, yes, your name, isn't it?
Yeah.
The artist.
Yeah.
Is that a picture you made? That's you made, on your WeChat or WhatsApp.
Yeah.
It's with wire.
Yeah, it's
make people's face.
it's virtual reality.
Yeah.
Drawing.
You draw and then make the.
And then 3D printing, and then
Oh,
casting in
3D printing.
metal. Yeah. It's drawn using virtual reality.
How much you charge for that?
I don't know yet, because I only made one.
That's whose face?
That was me.
Oh,
But
then your face.
it's drawn in virtual reality and then 3D printed.
Right. Okay. Right.
But they're very expensive to make.
Yeah.
Out of metal.
Yeah, few hundred. Okay, right. So you came for your stomach. Can you describe your symptoms, the years of your stomach problem?
It's kind of bloating, inflammation.
Yeah.
I think reacting to certain foods.
Yeah, that's allergic to food, and then you feel bloating.
It's not so much bloating. It's just it feels like my bladder, but it's actually my gut.
You feel it's lower of your stomach, uncomfortable, under your belly button, isn't it?
Yeah.
And so it's trouble you quite a lot, isn't it?
Yeah.
You feel irritable.
Yeah.
And difficult to go to toilet or
No.
Diarrhea,
No.
constipation, no, or you only feel uncomfortable.
Yeah.
And also make you tired or not.
Yeah.
Make you tired.
Just feeling ill. If I like this morning waking up just feeling
Unwell.
groggy.
Yeah. All right. Okay. So how do you feel now?
I feel a bit better. I feel quite relaxed.
You're relaxed, isn't it? And also during needles, what do you say? You have lots of.
Gurgling and sort of noise.
Yeah, that's very good. Okay, so that gurgling and noise means the energy is moving. All right, I told you it's like an engine. When you breathe in, when we put the needles and when we do the treatment, it's like start the engine again. And your bowel is like 7 meters. The intestine, small intestine, large intestine, 7 meters, all packed here, all packed on your stomach, and any part is blocked by certain of food, cause inflammation, what you call the blocked, all right, blocked, and then it will cause uncomfortable. And imagine it's 7 meters. If they move some part block, it's like I compare with like if on M5, if there are what you call car accident, then the queue could be few miles. Isn't it?
Yeah.
That's true, exactly. Same to our stomach. Okay, so we try to use the nerves on your neck and your lower back to treat it. And you after you have my treatment, it's 3, 4, 5 treatment, isn't it? You've been feeling much better.
Yeah, I've been feeling better. It still comes. I mean, it's still
Sometimes comes
an issue that I just have to.
And the beginning, you even feel your heart and uncomfortable. And then we did one session. You went away and to East Europe, and you feel better. And then you came back a few months later. And last time you feel quite good, isn't it? Before your holiday, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Slowly. We maybe need a few more sessions. All right. And also, like your wife come every few weeks, every 3, 4 weeks, and you regularly treat it. It will make it much improve. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you for your talk. Okay. Right. I know you hate needles, but it's no bleeding, nothing. Okay. You check. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Done.